So, are you ready to effectively present your research outcomes to stakeholders? This video guides you through the essential steps and considerations for impactful presentations. Discover how to align your presentation with audience needs and business expectations.
Assess the audience's existing knowledge of the research topic. Tailor your presentation to address gaps without oversimplifying. Identify what stakeholders need to make informed decisions. Focus on key findings and actionable insights relevant to them. Avoid excessive detail that may overwhelm. Structure your presentation clearly with concise content. Adhere to professionalism standards expected in business environments. Understand specific business expectations for formats like slides. Ensure clarity and impact, aligning with business goals. However, they may lack engagement and be time-consuming. Consider the balance between detail and readability. Ensure clarity to effectively communicate your message. Spoken presentations engage through direct interaction. They allow immediate feedback and clarification. However, time constraints can limit detail. The presenter's skills are crucial for success. They do not provide a permanent record, so plan accordingly. Visual aids enhance understanding through graphs and charts. They simplify complex information, making it engaging. Design skills are often required for effectiveness. Poor design can lead to misinterpretation. Avoid oversimplifying nuanced information. Written methods offer detail but may lack engagement. Spoken methods are interactive but limited by time. Visual methods are engaging but risk oversimplification. Choose the method that best fits your audience and content. Balance engagement with information accuracy. Utilize visual aids like slides to present key points. Support visuals with graphs, charts, and tables. Provide detailed reports for those who prefer in-depth reading. Media should enhance, not overshadow, the presentation. Ensure visuals are clear and relevant. Clearly present findings using structured sections. Use subheadings to differentiate parts of the research. Conclude with a summary and recommendations. Maintain a logical flow for coherence. Use storytelling to make your presentation engaging. Include real-world examples and case studies. Encourage audience interaction through questions. Use body language to emphasize points. Keep the presentation lively and informative. Ensure clarity and conciseness in your written report. Avoid unnecessary jargon to maintain understanding. Organize information with headings and bullet points. Use visuals to break up text and highlight data. Aim for a logical and approachable format. Engage the audience with questions and discussions. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Present confidently, maintaining eye contact with your audience. Use body language to emphasize key points. Keep the presentation dynamic and interactive. Verify all data presented for accuracy. Misrepresentation can undermine credibility. Properly cite sources to maintain integrity. Check data thoroughly before presenting. Accuracy is crucial for stakeholder trust. Clearly state conclusions drawn from the research. Relate them back to the original questions and objectives. Provide actionable recommendations for stakeholders. Ensure recommendations are specific and practical. Align conclusions with research findings. Use visual aids and detailed documents effectively. Structure your presentation with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Maintain logical flow and engage with storytelling. Ensure clarity and conciseness in both written and spoken formats. Prioritize data accuracy and proper citations. Media like slides and reports play a crucial role. They help convey complex data effectively. Choose the right media for your audience. Ensure media is clear and enhances the presentation. Avoid overwhelming with unnecessary details. Visual aids should simplify and clarify information. Use them to highlight key data points. Ensure they are well designed to avoid misinterpretation. Avoid cluttering slides with too much information. Keep visuals relevant and supportive. Encourage questions to maintain engagement. Use discussions to clarify complex points. Interact with the audience to keep their interest. Use body language to reinforce messages. Adapt to audience feedback during the presentation. Review the entire presentation for coherence. Ensure all sections align with your objectives. Check that visuals and data support your message. Practice delivery to enhance confidence. Make final adjustments based on rehearsal feedback. Avoid overwhelming your audience with too much detail. Do not rely solely on visuals to convey your message. Ensure your presentation is not too lengthy. Avoid jargon that may confuse stakeholders. Keep the focus on key messages and insights. Tailor your presentation to different stakeholder needs. Consider their roles and interests when presenting. Use language and examples they understand. Highlight aspects relevant to their decision-making. Adapt your approach based on stakeholder feedback.
Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that by following these guidelines, you can present research outcomes effectively. This ensures that they are well received and actionable for stakeholders, while also aligning your presentation with audience needs and business expectations. Closing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 0748 436 1688.